Hello guys, welcome to our channel. So followed by the HTML and CSS, we are going to see the JavaScript. JavaScript is the next to HTML and CSS. So by JavaScript we can develop the functionalities of the HTML pages. Okay. So first of all we need to know what is JavaScript. Okay. JavaScript is a client-side programming language. For example, you can even run it in a web browsers. Okay. So some of frameworks built using JavaScript. There is a many framework built by JavaScript technology. Okay. So for example, you can take AngularJS, React.js, Vue.js, etc. Many is there. Okay. How to learn the JavaScript? So as I said already, there is a website called w3schools.com. That is a very simple website to learn the basics things for freshers. So go to w3schools.com. I am already in w3schools.com. Get into the w3schools.com tutorial. Then you can pick the JavaScript. Okay. So these are the topics of JavaScript. You can start learning these all the topics. Okay. So in this website you can as I said already, we have a try it ourselves. By default editor is there, so you can try here itself also. Otherwise you can follow the previous HTML pages. We can add the functions in HTML pages also. Okay. So here see, they have a HTML template. In that HTML they used this the JavaScript method. So what is the functionality of this on click document get element ID demo? Okay. They gave one button. When you are clicking that button, that is the meaning of on click. This is the event. We have a many event in JavaScript. You can learn it in these event sections in see here we have a JS events. You can learn it here. Okay. So on click is the one of the event. This demo is here they gave the demo. What is the meaning? Means whenever I am clicking this button, take the date of current date, take the current date. Okay, current date and time. This date function is a pre-default function of JavaScript. It will give the current date and time, then that value will be appended to the ID demo HTML. Okay, this is the p tag HTML. Here they gave a demo ID. Okay, so when I click this button, this value will be appended to this HTML. Okay, here this value will come. Okay. Okay, let's run this code. You can see that I'm going to click this button. See, this is the p tag. As I said already, how you will know this is the p tag? Okay, right click the inspect element. So this is the p tag. See, the demo tag, it is appended into the HTML of this demo ID. Okay, so this is the inline function of JavaScript. So as we mentioned in inline, internal, external in CSS, there is the same method followed in the JavaScript also. We can write a inline JavaScript function, we can write the internal and external functions. Okay, I will let you know in the upcoming videos. Okay, this is the basics things to learning, and you have to learn all these topics. Just learn basic things, that's it, not to get expert level by in first level of learning. Okay, so so you are started learning. The first thing to manage learning is time management. Okay, so you are entering into the functionality level in JavaScript. JavaScript is the basic thing. If you are learned, you are well backup in JavaScript technology, means you can learn many frameworks. As I said, AngularJS, React.js, Vue.js, many frameworks are available for a front-end technologies. Okay, JavaScript is mostly used for front-end technologies. There is a back-end technologies also there. Like in Node.js is there. We have many back-end languages also there. So you have to be a expert level in JavaScript. Okay, so how to get stronger in basics of JavaScript. I gave these topics. You have to learn these all things. Before that, you need to make a perfect schedule for learning. Okay, so that I am suggesting some time management things. You can follow it. It will help to you. Okay, so we need 8 hours to complete all the basics in JavaScript tutorial. Why I am telling 8 hours? Okay, you are not going to learn all the basic things in a expert level. You are just going through the basic things. Just you will learn it in a live project. Okay, so I am suggesting a 8 hours is enough to complete the basics from the W3 schools topics. Okay, I am splitting a today 4 hours, tomorrow 4 hours. So I am scheduling for a 2 days of learning session. Okay, in that 4 hours you can take a 30 minutes of learning time. Okay, make 30 minutes of learning, take a 10 to 15 minutes of break time for each 30 minutes of learning time. Okay, that will helpful to your learning sessions. In that meantime you can take a one long break. It's should be up to 45 minutes. Don't take a too much of time. Definitely if you are following this, it will be helpful to you. You can close it within 8 hours. Okay, okay, fine. I will show you how to implement the HTML and JavaScript integrations functionalities in next video. Thank you.